This is Aisha, an ordinary housewife. From morning till night, just home, kids, and responsibilities. But somewhere deep inside, she had her own dreams too. Every night, when everyone slept, she quietly scrolled on her phone. And she saw people earning from home. If they can do it, why can't I? One day, she joined a free online workshop. For the first time, she discovered AI. Video creation, AI avatars, content generation. Maybe this is my opportunity. The beginning wasn't easy. Her first video got only 23 views. No one noticed, but she didn't quit. After 45 days, one video went viral. 50,000 views. Messages started coming. Please teach us. She launched a small 999 rupees workshop. 10 women joined. Her first earning, 9,990 rupees. From home, with her own skills. I can earn too. Slowly, her classes started growing. She began teaching AI to other women. She was no longer alone. She had a whole community. 1 year later, the same Aisha who once doubted herself, was earning in lakhs every month. AI transformed her world. She is still a housewife. But now, she is digitally empowered. AI didn't replace her. It strengthened her. If I can do it, you can too. Learn AI. Change your life.